Welcome guys, welcome back to the island family, to girl Maria.
The island boy.
Yes, yes, and little Ocean.
And
And the big island boy here. The big boy.
yeah, man.
And we're here with Mom, Delcita.
Yeah, my mom is here.
Welcome.
Our first time, and we're in Nimbin.
Yeah,
man,
we've been
so-
here before guys, so you know, we're just coming to show Mum
Yeah,
what Nimbin's all about.
definitely. And we're going to a waterfall as well. So
Yeah.
just gonna check out the market and just explore a bit.
Yeah.
So don't go anywhere, beautiful people. We're on the road.
Poshy, poshy. Hi.
Nice color.
I like that one
A
for
bit small for a head though.
In the hell. These are all hemp stuff, made out of hemp.
This shop's different from last time, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
That must be a kangaroo. That's actual real kangaroo skin.
Oh, really?
That's kangaroo. Real kangaroo skin. Yeah, I believe it's kangaroo. Yeah, it's got
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh! Dad and Ocean just chilling, guys. And there's Zipper's in the shop over there, walking around having a look.
Nice place.
Yeah. From interesting things too.
Yeah. More shops. Decorate. Legendary Bob, you know? It's everywhere. Four corner. Let's go eat. Thai food.
Donkey Tom Adventures, man. Donkey Tom Adventures, man. Oh!
Driving through the mountains. Some narrow roads. River on both sides.
Mercy.
This is the roadside, and got the water coming from up there. It goes across here as well. It's pretty. We're trying to get to the waterfall, and this is the reason why they closed the road. All of this blocks off the driveway. Yeah, man, that must have been from the cyclone. Oh shoot. Shoes gonna get wet here. Gonna have to take it off. Right, now me I say to
And I'm gonna
crossing.
hot like it's muggy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Rain drizzle. Well, they say nobody can cross it, but we'll cross it. And we're going.
Yes, come on, walk.
It's drizzling a bit, but should be able to make it to the shelter in case if it does rain. We're having a good hiking vibe.
It's a great vibe.
Yeah, man.
Oh, we love this sort of stuff, but I'm busting to go to the loo.
Yeah.
Anyways, let's practice those pelvic floor muscles.
Yeah, man. So Cyclone Alfred caused the damage. Otherwise, we could have drove all this way.
Yeah.
But yeah,
And
hopefully.
Babe's car's perfect for these kind of trips.
Yeah. Hopefully, them clear the way soon. And by the way, this is the place that, if you all remember, from when I just came here and I had a iguana encounter or a lizard, whatever them want to call it. This is the place that it happened. So, you know, it's like revisiting old memory lane, you know. Yeah, man, but lots of river, nice river down there. The water actually looks clear.
Today, yeah, you can see
Yeah.
through it.
Yeah, it's clear.
Usually it's not that clear.
Yeah, it's usually more dark.
Usually you get scared to even dip your foot in there.
True. Think it has a good washout.
It's a good workout.
Yeah. You, mister, careful. No other animal encounter today.
For real.
Yeah, man, so deep in the rainforest. You can see all the bird feather there. Like something eat a bird there. Not even the body is left, just feathers. Some more feathers over there.
They built this new. Wow, the water looks so pretty today. This water must be beautiful, pure. Be careful, Island. I just wish the iguana would come out now and do the same reenactment as when it wasn't a reenactment, actually it was a real, Babe got really scared of it.
This is the place for people. Put the camera right here on this table. And I was just here making like a little B-roll shots. And all of a sudden I hear something shuffling over there. And when I looked at it, it was a iguana, them call it. Oh shit! Guys, oh my god, I literally almost had an heart attack.
A dragon Komodo.
Yeah, and scared me and I run with Island. This is the
It was
exact
huge.
spot. That's been a long time now, and we're here again.
Oh.
All of these trees running up to find sunlight. Some of them just grow gigantic. Very beautiful. They create all these pathways so you don't necessarily have to walk on the ground and avoid all. You can clearly see a pathway basically as well. Just majestic. Been here before, my people, but you know, for all the new viewers, you can always, you know, see it for the first time. See right around and around. See what it looks like. Yeah.
Can you hold me? My leg is
Take a look at this tree. Giant. sweating.
So much walking in a long time. Oh, really? Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah.
Welcome to the wildlife of Australia. You know? Most people scared to come out to see this side of Australia. Most people are scared of snakes and spiders and all of that, which I am too, but not too scared to not want to come out. So we're close to the waterfall now. It's a nice wind coming up from, it's a nice wind coming from that direction. Look at the shape of this tree, my people. It's like a leg there. One there bent like a person is climbing up. So nature is amazing, eh? Where giants live. And if you all didn't know, Australia also has the world's oldest rainforest, which is located in Cairns. Because when we went to Cairns, we learned that big tree that falling down and they cut off piece of it to clear the pathway. So it goes all the way over there to that side. Wow, it's pretty. Did it, baby?
We did it.
For the second time, anyway.
Nice, yeah. Nightcap. Nightcap falls.
It's pretty.
We go further up, you can see.
Mama.
Yeah. Yes, guys, we did it.
Definitely. I'm
Let's
soaked.
go back.
I'm so too.
Yeah, literally
Let's
soaked.
go back.
So we made it back on the flat. Made it back.
Yeah.
How was it, mommy?
How was it?
It was great. It was
Yeah.
great. Yes.
Yeah. How was it, babe?
Great. We worked up a sweat. We
Yeah.
burnt some calories.
For sure.
And we are doing good now, yeah?
Yeah, man. Island? How was the walk?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself?
And I just swam super fast on the water, and I did trip over the water because I was invisible in number one song in Today's Hedgehog.
Oh, okay. Interesting one. Yeah, one, so. Island, be careful. Cold.
Go on, jump in.
No! Cold!
Careful of jumping, just step in. I'm surprised I don't see any fish. I'm looking to see
Yeah, I didn't see anything up there either.
can just look for through the window. Oh, wow.
Wow, look at the view. Oh, there's waterfall down there. There's more waterfalls than you know.
This river is big, man. Like, it's
Yeah.
There's a waterfall somewhere
big
there.
down there.
Wait, I can see the waterfall. Wait,
No, we never noticed that one.
down there, look. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, for real.
Like
Yeah.
palm trees, the palm trees?
Yeah.
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 Maybe that must be like someone's land or something.
Belly was sweating on her back. Take it easy.
I can't go over more.
I was gonna say push him over. You look there, right? There's a house over there. It's in the bush actually. Like across the river. Just see the Yeah, but one was across the river. Over the other side. Exactly. Somebody that really have to use like station. Probably that road down the river, eh?
I would like to trek down that waterfall to see where it like goes. Fine.
visit people and give thanks for watching today's
Thanks
video.
guys, thanks a lot for
Thanks, guys.
catching the video this far.
Yeah, man.
And we'll catch you in the next one.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Bless up. Yes, mommy.
Blessings, always.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.